my YouTube channel, that is Maths with Shivangi Nagar. In this video we will discuss the optional exercise, that is 13.9. Here this exercise consists of total 3 questions and each and every question is very good. It is optional because it is not from examination point of view, but trust me students, if you attempt this exercise, many concepts will going to be clear, right? So do these questions are very important, and also for those students are preparing for the Olympiad exams, because these questions are very logical questions. Let's begin with the question. What the question says: a wooden bookshelf has the external dimensions as follow, given the height as 110, depth as that is 25 centimeter, and the breadth is given to us 85 centimeter. If you consider this shelf, okay, so here we are given its its height. So this is the height, that is 110 centimeter. Then we are given its depth means this widthness, okay, this is given to us 25 centimeter, and the breadth, this breadth is given to us, that is 85 centimeter. Now what we have here, the thickness of the plank is 5 centimeter everywhere. Now if you see here, this entire wooden bookshelf, these three parts, the part 1, part 2 and part 3, okay, so these are what? These are the empty portions here, right? And on these empty portions, if you see here, here you are given the widthness, right? These are the thickness of what? These are the thickness of 5 centimeter everywhere. The external faces are to be polished. If you see here, this blue part need to be polished. The blue part in the diagram, what we are doing? We are doing the polishing over here, and the inner faces are to be painted. If you see, the inner faces are with the grey color, okay. So grey part, what we are doing? We are doing the painting over there. Clear? And what we are given? We are given the rate. We are given the rate of polishing 20 paisa per centimeter square, and the rate of painting is 10 paisa per centimeter square. When we are doing the polishing of the blue part, okay, so we are given the cost of polishing as 20 paisa, and when we are painting the inner faces, we are given its rate, that it is what? 10 paisa per centimeter square. So what we have to calculate? We have to calculate the total expenses required for the polishing and the painting of this type of given bookshelf. So before proceeding further, okay, first what we have to calculate? We have to calculate the total inner surfaces which need to be painted here, because we are given the dimensions of the bookshelf, and that is also of the outer part, right? And that also at how many surfaces? If you see here, this is the blue part, this is the entire blue part. So all the blue parts we have to calculate it, and that blue part need to be polished. Similarly, we have to calculate the surface area of the grey part also, okay, and that grey part is what? It is the part, it is the surfaces where we are doing what? Painting, okay. So first what we will going to do? First we will calculate, if you see, consider this diagram. So let's say the length L be the empty portion length and H be the what? Empty portion height. From this figure, this one, this is the figure number 1, okay. If you consider this, so here if you see, all the empty portions are exactly identical of each other. So here length and height of all the open portions are what? Same. So if you consider if you let the length, L-E-N-G-T-H, length as L and height as H, right? So can we say that height of the bookshelf, height of the bookshelf is 3 multiplied by height of the open portion plus 4 into thickness of the plank. Student, what I have done here, if you consider this, that this is the entire height of this bookshelf. So if you see here, this 110 height consists of what? So can I say this 3 times of h, right? Then 1, 2, 3 and 4 times the thickness of this plank, right? So what is the height? So height we are given here 110. So we are putting here h, height of the open portion, that we need to calculate. So we are letting it as h. So we have put the variable h over here. Then 4 into thickness of each plank is given to us. What is the thickness? It is given to us 5. Now when we calculate this expression, what we will get? We will get the height of the empty portion, right? So let's calculate it. What we will be getting here? So 4 into 5 is 20. When we transpose this 20 on the left hand side, so it is what? 110 minus 20 is equals to 3 times of h, right? When you transpose this 3 also on the left hand side, what you will get? So 90 upon 3 is equals to h. When you cancel this 90 with 3 times, what you will get? The height of empty portion. Height of empty portion, which we have considered as h, was 30 centimeter, right? Similarly, we will work on the length also. Okay, so now the length of the entire bookshelf, length of the bookshelf, can we say it is equal to length of open portion, length of the open portion plus 2 times 2 into thickness of the plank, thickness of the plank. What I have written here, if you see here, what we have, just see the diagram. This one, this is the entire length, this we have taken, right? This, and this is what? 85 centimeter, right? And this length is consist of what? This L part and what? This 2 times of the thickness, right? By this, so we can say that L, this is what? The inner gray part length is what? L plus 2 times of thickness. So the same thing we have written over here. What we have written here? The length of the bookshelf is what? The length of the bookshelf is length of the open portion plus 2 times the thickness of the plank. Now let's put the value over here. So what are the values? So values is 85 is equal to length of the open portion we have taken as L. So we are putting here L over here plus 2 times the thickness. Thickness of the plank is what? 5. So put the value of 5 over here. Then 2 5 times is what? 10, and transpose this 10 on the left hand side. So what we will be getting here? 85 minus 10 is equals to L, and 85 minus 10 is what? 85 minus 10 is 75 centimeter. So now we have calculated both. We have calculated the length also, we have calculated the breadth also. Okay, so length we have calculated how much? Length we have calculated here 30, and length we have calculated here this much. So this is the diagram here. So let's copy it here also, because we have to use this. Yes. So after calculating the length and the breadth of the inner part, okay, so length is coming out what? So length comes out 75 centimeter, and height h of the empty portion is coming out what? 30 centimeter. Clear? Now what we will do, we will first calculate the area which need to be polished. First we will work on area of the shelf to be polished, right? So what is that area? So can I say the total surface area of the bookshelf, the total surface area of the bookshelf minus 3 times area of open portion. Yes, we need to polish on what? Outer surfaces, right? So if we calculate the entire total surface area of all the 6 surfaces of this bookshelf, and if we eliminate this gray part, the inner surfaces open part from it, so do we get the area of the shelf which need to be polished? Yes. Now what is the total surface area of the cuboidal shape bookshelf? So twice of L into B, B into H plus L into H, that we already did here. Okay, so twice of, can we say it is 85 into 25 plus 25 into 110 plus 110 into 85, right? Minus 3 times of area of the open portion is what? So area of the open portion is 3 times of what? 75 into 30, because if you see here they all are rectangular in shape, so the length is what? 75, and this height which we will taking as a breadth, it is given this we have find out what? 30. Now just what we have to do, we have to just calculating the things. So 2 multiplied by 85 into 25 is what? It is 2125, right? Then 25 into 110, it is what? 2750, and 110 into 85 is what? 9350, minus 3 multiplied by 75 into 30 is what? 2250. Then first add all these numbers and then multiply it with the 2. So when you add all these numbers, 2125, 2750 and 9350, so what you will get? 14,225 here. And similarly when you multiply this 3 with 2250, what you will be getting here? 6750. Okay, open this square bracket also and multiply the 2 with this number, so what you will get? 28450 minus 6750, and when you eliminate this 6750 from the given number, you will get 21700 centimeter square. So this is what? This is the area which need to be polished. So let's calculate that how much is the total cost. So we are given that cost of polishing 1 centimeter square is given to us. It is what? 20 paisa. Okay, 20 paisa. Then how much area we need to polish? So cost of polishing 21700 centimeter square is nothing but 20 into 21700. हमने क्या किया? हमने पर सेंटीमीटर स्क्वायर की कॉस्ट से हमने टोटल एरिया को मल्टीप्लाई कर दिया टू गेट द टोटल कॉस्ट. Now what I am doing, I am dividing this data with the 100, because if you solve this you will get the answer in paisa, and I want the my cost to be in the rupees. So what I am doing, I am dividing this with the 100 also to get the answer in the rupees form. So 20 cancels this 20, and when you multiply 20 with 217, what you will getting here? You will getting here rupees 4340. So this is the cost. Okay, 4340 is the cost of the polishing on the outer part, right? On that blue part. Similarly, now we will work on the inner surfaces. That what is the total inner surfaces which need to be which need to be polished. So again let's copy this diagram here. Yes. Now we will work on this gray part. Okay, this gray part first we will calculate the total inner surfaces which need to be painted. So now we need to paint inner surface, right? So total area to be painted is what? Total area of painting is, can I say it is equal to 3 times of total surface area of internal shelf minus area of open portion. Open portion. See what I have written here. If we multiply 3 with the each and every internal shelf whose measurement is given to us. What are the measurements? So here each internal measurement is, if we take the length as 75, right, height as 30, and the width as the breadth as what? This width is 25 here, right? So can we calculate the total surface area of the one inner shelf, and if you multiply with 3 we will get all the 3. But if you see here, this front part, this front surface is what? It is open, there is no front surfaces, right? So we have to eliminate that part, we have to eliminate that open portion. So if we eliminate that area of the open portion with 3 times the total surface area of the inner shelf, can we get the total area of the painting part? Yes, we will get. So let's put all the values. So 3 multiplied by, now what is the total surface area? Total surface area is twice of L into B plus B into H plus H into L. Okay, so let's put all the values. 2 multiplied by 30 into 75 plus 75 into 20 plus 20 into 30, right? Similarly, area of the open portion is what? So area of the open portion is 30 into 75. Clear? Then this is also, this entire part is multiplied by 3 because area of portion also 3 times we have. Okay. Now 3 is multiplied outside. When you multiply all these quantity, what you will be getting here? So 30 into 75 is what? 30 into 75 is 2250. Similarly, 75 into 20 is what? 1500. Plus 20 into 30 is what? 600. Minus 30 into 75 is what? 2250. Okay. So next, in the next step, 3 multiplied by, first add all these numbers and multiply it with 2. So when you add all these numbers, you will get 4350 and multiply it with 2, you will get what? 8700 minus 2250. Then again when you eliminate 2250 with from the 8700, what you will get? You will get 6450. And when you multiply these two numbers, what you will be getting here? 19,350. And this is what? Area. So it is what? Centimeter square. So if you see here, the gray part, the total gray part area is coming out what? 19,350. Now we will calculate the cost of what? We will calculate the cost of this much area also, and at this part what we are doing? We are doing the painting here, right? So let's find out the costing, right? So we know that it is given in the question that cost of painting 1 centimeter square is what? 10 paise. And how much area we need to paint? So we need to paint, so cost of painting 19350 centimeter square is what? Just multiply this total area with per centimeter square cost. So 10 into 19350, but when you multiply this you will get the answer in the paisa, and we have to find the answer in the rupees. So what I am doing, I am dividing this data with the 100. So this 0 cancels this 0, this 0 cancels this 0. So what we are left over with? 1 into 1935. So rupees 1935 is the total cost that we have to bear for the painting part. So now we have calculated both the costs. So what is the total expenses we have here? So can I say the total expenses are cost of polishing plus cost of painting, and cost of polishing that we have found out is what? 4340, and cost of painting is what? 1935. When you add them together, what you will get? You will get 6275 rupees. So this is the total cost, this is the total expenses for painting and polishing this type of bookshelf. So if you got the solution, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up, do share with your friends, and if you're new to my channel, then please do subscribe it and press the bell icon so that you will never miss any of my updates. Till then, bye bye, take care, see you in my next video with the next question.